Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to sign up on Deepseek. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Deepseek website right here, deepseek.com if you've not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where we can get started. So guys, what we need to do to be able to register for an account is click the Start Now option right here. By clicking the Start Now button, as you're going to see, it's going to open up this new page where we can get started creating an account. So we have two options guys. We can either log in with an existing account or a Google account, or we can click the sign up button. So by clicking sign up, it's going to enable you to input all your info such as your email address you want to use, your password, and the code you're going to get in your email to confirm everything you have. So go ahead and input all your info right here, and once you go ahead and register for an account, you'll be able to log in. So we're going to click the login button right here, and now we're going to go ahead and enter in the info that we have gotten, such as our email address and our password, and then we're going to go ahead and click login. And as you can see guys, after logging in successfully, we'll be greeted by this chat right here, which is the main option for starting Deepseek. So this is where you're going to use everything. This is how you can get started using Deepseek. So basically that's how you register and log into your account. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.